In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit crypto to Revolut. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look out for, and how to avoid the most common mistakes so your funds arrive safely. Start by opening the app and heading to the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. This is your hub for everything related to digital assets inside the app. If you don't see it right away, make sure your app is up to date and that crypto features are available in your region. Next, tap on Receive. Think of Receive as the option that provides your wallet details so funds can come in. It's different from Send, which is used when you want to move crypto out to another wallet or exchange. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to deposit. Take a moment to be precise here. Coins and tokens often have similar names and tickers, and some exist on multiple networks. Choose the exact asset you plan to move from your external wallet or exchange, so the address you get is correct for that currency. After you choose the asset, you'll see your wallet address. It's a long string of letters and numbers unique to that currency and network. Tap Copy to copy the address. Avoid typing the address manually. Copying reduces the chance of errors. If the app shows additional details like a specific network label alongside the address, take note of it before moving on. Now switch to your external wallet or exchange and paste that copied address into the recipient field to send your crypto. Before you confirm, take a second to compare the first and last few characters to ensure it matches the address you copied. This small check helps you avoid sending to the wrong place. Make sure you select the correct network, such as BTC for Bitcoin or ERC20 for tokens on the Ethereum network, to avoid losing your funds. Many assets exist on multiple networks, and sending on the wrong one can make your deposit irretrievable. Always confirm that the network selected in your sending wallet matches the one shown in the app for the asset you chose. Keep in mind that Revolut does not charge deposit fees, but blockchain network fees may still apply. These fees are set by the network you're sending from and are usually displayed in your external wallet or exchange before you confirm the transfer. And that's it. Once you send the transaction, it will appear in your crypto tab after the network confirms it. Processing times vary by network, so don't worry if it takes a little while. You've successfully deposited cryptocurrency into Revolut.